Hey dear users. Welcome to the Post Timeline tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to create a notification timeline and how to personalize it in our Post Timeline plugin. We'll explore this timeline features such as icons, text, and how to change the color of icons in this tutorial. So if you are interested in creating a Gutenberg notification timeline, so let's get started. To create a notification timeline, we'll need to create a new page so we can add our Gutenberg notification timeline. To create a page, go to the Page tab and add a new page. Let's click on the plus icon and search Gutenberg notification timeline. Here you can see the notification timeline. Let's add this timeline. Now you can see the notification timeline. You can personalize it based on your timeline goals. We'll edit the first notification in this timeline for demonstration purposes to show you how it works. Also, you can change the icon or color of the icon from these options. Now let's publish the Gutenberg notification timeline so we can display it on the page. Now, click on the View Page button to see our notification timeline. Congratulations! Here you can see your Gutenberg notification timeline. That's all from this Post Timeline plugin tutorial. Stay tuned for more exciting timeline tutorials in the upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.